The fact that he allowed you to live up till this time to see this day that we get your money back, it shows that there's a reason for it, a cogent one for that matter. Huh? Biko.
Daddy, please. Please, I'm sorry, Biko. Please forgive me.
Odera, you are here begging for me to forgive you. When you took that money and traveled out, what were you thinking?
Ozu. I need to Ozu. Sir, please. Like I said, what I did, I'm not happy about it. And that's why I came with my father. Please, I beg of you. I'm ready to pay ×2 of the money. I'll double it. Yeah, I'll pay 20 million naira cash.
Hey, what are you not saying? When are you bringing it so that are we going to the ATM? Let me know.
If you need any other thing, just say it. I'll do it.
In a lane, say this boy. When they make me see. Are we going to the bank? Let me follow you. I'm going here now.
Odera,
sir, if you go near.
The only thing you will do for me to forgive you is to bring your worth.
Huh? What's again?
Beat.
Yes.
Property, cash, even the car parked outside.
Yes.
You will bring everything you made all these years. Then I will now settle you the way I am supposed.
Hey fam.
You know where you are?
I'm sure you know where you are.
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Right here. You're watching Nollywood Pictures right here on YouTube for the best of African content and drama.
Nollywood Pictures TV.
Nollywood Pictures TV.
My name is Frederick Leonard and I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless you. I love you all.